How to start an LLC with ZenBusiness. To follow along, you can use our affiliate link that's down below in the description, or just go to ZenBusiness and navigate to the section on LLCs. You're going to come to a page that looks something like this. The very first thing to do is to enter your preferred business name. Let's say JJ's Consulting Services. And then click on Start an LLC. Ready to get started. Share info about your business, LLC requirements, choose your package, see recommended products, review, and check out. Let's do it. JJ's Services. Formation state, let's say Delaware. Probably one of the most common ones if you're not creating something within the state where you're currently located. Let's click on next, and awesome, looks like your business name is available. They're gonna check that for you. And then next again, how much experience do you have running a business? I have lots. Okay, next. Will your business have employees in the first year? No, just me. Will your business address be different from your home address? Yes, it will. How far along is your business? Plan for the future, launching soon, already making money. What are your business goals? Side business, primary income, the next big thing. This is my side business. Okay, what kind of business are you forming? It's in the title, but business consultant, there we go. Do you want to save your progress? Skip this and continue without saving. Okay, appoint your state required registered agent. It is a legal requirement in Delaware to appoint a registered agent. What you should know: this is an official address where someone is always present during business hours to receive legal or government documents. We offer an excellent affordable registered agent service, which we don't charge you until your business is formed. And so here you can look for other ones and check on pricing. But for this, I'm just going to appoint ZenBusiness. You can see here, you'll be charged $199 when your formation is complete and billed yearly thereafter. Choose your package. We offer 3 packages designed to get you official, compliant, and online. The starter plan is $0, at least what ZenBusiness charges, plus the filing fee for the state that you chose. In this case, Delaware, which charges $140. Each state is going to be different here. Then your LLC will be ready in 2 to 3 weeks. Worry-free compliance is optional, so I imagine something else will be charged if you choose the starter plan and want worry-free compliance. The pro plan, everything to start your LLC and keep it compliant year-round, $199 per year, plus the $140 fee for the state of Delaware. What you get here is ready in 1 to 2 business days. It does include the worry-free compliance, also an operating agreement, plus your EIN number. And so these last 2 things for me are what I would want when creating an LLC. The operating agreement is the agreement or contract that says how the business is going to be run. And then the EIN is essentially your social security number for a business. So if you're a single member LLC, you could just use your social security number, but I prefer not to share that number all over the place if I don't have to. So I'd rather use an EIN, even if I'm the only owner of the LLC. That's personal preference. It's not something you necessarily need to have, but if you want it, it's included in the pro plan. And then the premium plan, get the tools to start, run, and grow your business all in one place. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? This is going to include everything in the pro package: business document templates, website builder, domain name with privacy, and a business email address. So this is another $150 per year. For me, I probably wouldn't choose this option. If I needed business documents, I would maybe search out the documents that I need. Website builders, I'm not sure which one that they work with, but again, I would want to choose the best website builder for the particular project I had. And then again, I imagine the domain name registrar that they're using is not going to be the cheapest option when you could use something like Pork Bun and spend less than $10 a year for that. Business email address, same kind of thing. But if you want to see full package details, you can see what that looks like right here. Here's where the compliance is per year. So essentially, if you want compliance, you're paying for the pro plan. And then if you wanted just the operating agreement or EIN, you're again at this price. So they really don't want you to choose the starter option. They're trying to push you towards this. And then if you want to pay separately for business document templates, that's $100, website builder $129, Domain, see, you can get this for less than $10. Business email address, depending on the service, if that's a good deal or not. So it'll go through more detail here, but I'm gonna go with the Pro plan. Okay, try it free. Protect your personal assets with business banking. Add banking free. $5 per month after first month. So what I would end up doing is opening a bank elsewhere and not paying $5 per month. And then try it free, save time and money with bookkeeping. Again, if you want bookkeeping, if you need help with this, it's $30 per month after the first month. If it's something you're thinking about, you could sign up, get the first month for free, shop around and see if there's something that would work as well or better for a better price. But in this case, I'm just going to say no, thank you. Try it free, get aligned with easy to use website builder. So $15 per month website builder. What exactly is the website builder? Hosting with Amazon Web Services. Again, there's probably better options. I don't like the packages of all these different things when you can probably find better options if you were to shop for things like a website builder separately. No, thank you. Get organized and save time with business documents. So there's 25 document templates. Let's see, liability waivers, employee agreements, contracts, proposals, and more. So again, this isn't an outrageous price to get something like this, but I would maybe shop around and make sure that you're getting all the documents you need. I'm gonna say no, thank you. Okay, now let's review. It's time to confirm your info and check out. All right, business formation costs may be tax deductible. All right, review your information. Account owner, if you're also a member or owner of the business, make sure your name matches your government ID. If you have more than one owner, you can add more members to the company formation document after you place your order. So right now they just want the name of one person. Okay, if that looks good, let's continue to review the order. All right, review your order. Total due today, $339. So what we have is the Pro LLC for $199. That includes EIN, operating agreement, worry-free compliance, rush service. Then the registered agent service is $199 and will be billed after the LLC is actually formed. And then no banking, no money pro, no website builder. Documents only not included, and the Delaware filing fee of $140. So we have total today of $339 plus the $199 will be charged a couple days from now. Then continue to payment, enter your card information, and there you go. ZenBusiness will create your LLC. If you're now ready to create your LLC with ZenBusiness and you want to support this channel, you can use our affiliate link down below in the description. Or if you want to see a comparison of ZenBusiness and Northwest Registered Agent, the service we last used to create an LLC, here's a quick comparison of the cost. And if you want to see a similar video that walks you through the LLC creation process with Northwest Registered Agent, check out the video right here. I hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.